ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ರೀಡೋ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ. LKG ಇಂದ UKG ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ನಾವು LKG ಇಂದ 4th 5th ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಓದೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು LKG ಮಗುನು ಒಂದು 5th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ 6th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮಗು ಥರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 10th ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ PUC ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೈನ್ಸು, ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಮ್ಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ SLCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ.
Small intestine. The small intestine has finger-like projections called villi, which helps in the digestion of food and supply the blood vessels which absorb the food to the each and every cell of the body. Then the waste material pass through the large intestine and finally the waste material put away from the body. These are the pair of lungs, heart, liver, stomach, large intestine, small intestine. Thank you.
Important is the human body. The brain is protected by the skull. It is the brain. Brain it controls many functions in the human body. It is the cerebrum, cerebellum, and the midbrain, and the pons and the medulla. These are the parts of the human brain, and these are the parts of the human body, and it consists of the 40% of the fat, 60% of fat, and the 40% of the water carbohydrate, and it is the brain weight is 3 pounds, and the neuron give two messages to the brain. Thank you. Good afternoon. Myself Pavitra. I am from 10th standard. Now I am here to present the model of an heart. This is the model of an heart. Heart is an organ which pumps the blood throughout the body. There are 4 chambers in the heart. The upper 2 chambers are called artery and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. The heart size is as big as our fist. The partition between the 2 chambers is called sputum, which helps in the avoid of mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected teachers. My name is Mana. I am pursuing in 10th standard. So, I am going to explain about the development of the fetal stages in the mother's womb. So, for this, the stages, one of the most important, that is fertilization. So, the fusion of both male and female gametes is known as fertilization. When the male form contact with the female ova or egg, then the fertilization takes place. The male having male and both female having 23 pairs of chromosomes. The male having X and Y type of chromosomes and female having a XX chromosomes. So these are the development of the fetal stages. Fetal development is one of the orderly and interactive process. Now I am going to explain about 1 stages, in which stages what and all the development will happen in the baby. So in the first stage, fetal stage begins. In second stage, sex organ determination will happen. Coming to the third stage, fingers and toes start development. In fourth stage, hearing of the baby, which and all the natural noises are there, the baby will hear in this fourth stage. Coming to the fifth stage, the lung began to develop in this fifth stage. And sixth stage, brain grows rapidly. The brain is very important, as Bhavya explained. Coming to the 7th stage, bones develop fully. Coming to the 8th stage, and all the muscular organ present in our body, it can fully development in this 8th stage. And in the 8th stage, one of the special stages there, the baby will be in the upward, slowly it will turn to the downwards. If the twins baby is there in the mother's womb, then the position of the baby will be like this. Coming to the 9th stage, the fully development of the baby will be happen and it comes throughout the mother's womb. So thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Everyone, welcome to our channel. I am teach about Parliament House. India is a democratic republic. The Parliament is the supreme body. All matters of the policy are decided by the government. The India constructed 2 houses, the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. The member of Rajya Sabha are elected directly of people. The member of Lok Sabha are elected by legislative of the state. Their terms is 5 years. All the laws of the country are decided by the Parliament. The budget of the country is also made by the Parliament. The old Parliament House building in India is now called Samvidhan Sadan. It was renamed on September 19, 2023. The Constitution of India came into force on January 26, 1950. The first elected parliament is also came into April 1952. Since 2009, old Parliament House became museum and about the building Australia. Thank you.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Nitya Fatima. I am studying.
Loudly.
Today I said opposite first half. Sad, give, take, big, small, in, out, long, short, hot, cold, few, many, open, close, fast, slow, less, move, day, night, now, hot, boy, then, fast, true, day, night, large, small, good, bad, left, right, buy, sell, cry again, up, down, many, come, go, empty, full, ugly, late. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Saiti Sachini, 6th standard. Today my activity is lighthouse. The lighthouse is a tall tower, the lighthouse is a tall building. The lighthouse is tower with powerful lights at the top. It is built on the coast. It is built with ships to warn them to danger. It is made by wood, iron, stick and soil.
The lighthouse is also used to see the things. It always a bright light at the top.
Good morning everyone, myself Vikta. I am studying in 7th standard. Now I am going to explain about layers of atmosphere. Layer of air surrounding Earth is called atmosphere. There are five layers in atmosphere. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Troposphere, layer nearest to the Earth's surface. Thickness varies from 8 km at the poles to 16 km at the equator. All weather phenomena occur here. Stratosphere provides ideal conditions for flying a large aeroplane. It contains ozone 25 to 30 km. It absorbs the ultraviolet rays from the sun. This layer has a comparatively high temperature due to the absorption of the ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Temperature increases as we go up. Mesosphere. It is the third layer of the atmosphere, up to a height of about 80 kilometers to 80 kilometers. The temperature decreases with height and falls on it about 100 degrees Celsius to 80 kilometers. It is the coldest layer of the Earth. Thermosphere. It is the fourth layer of the atmosphere. The temperature increases in this layer with altitude until extends from 800 kilometers. The topmost part of the thermosphere is the bottom of the atmosphere is known as exosphere. It is the territory of all the satellites. In this layer is also known as magnetosphere. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Charmini, studying 7th standard in Excellent English Medium. Today I am going to explain about our mythological holy temple, Sri Rama Mandir of Ayodhya, and it is the model of Rama Mandir. Hindus believe that it is the Rama Janma Bhoomi, the mythical birthplace of God Rama, and it is the avatar of Vishnu. On 5th August 2020, the Bhumi Puja for commencement of the construction was performed by Narendra Modi ji, the Prime Minister of India. This construction was supervised by Sri Rama Janma Bhoomi Tirtha Kshetra Trust. This Rama Mandir is a three-floor beautiful complex in which the ground floor is dedicated to Rama. Rama Lalla is known as Balarama. Second floor is dedicated to Sita, Lakshmana and Hanumanta. Third floor is for holy purpose. Rana Pratishthapana ceremony of Rama Lalla was organized on 22 January 2024, means last year, and remaining 2 floors are still constructed. From Prana Pratisthapana ceremony, more than 13 crores of devotees visited this Ayodhya and made this place most visited destination in a year. Other than this, the proud movement of Hazars Kannadigas, that is Ramalala, was lifted by Arun Yogiraj from the Kannadiga from Mysore, and even stones also used for Ramalala was extracted from Karnataka, and it is called Krishna Shaili. Thank you.
Myself Harshita, I am studying in 7th standard. My topic is volcano. Volcano are openings of the earth's surface. When a volcano lava, ash and gas is excited from it, the liquid inside the volcano is called magma. After it has left the volcano it is called lava. Lava is very, very hot. There are around 1,500 active in the world. The largest volcano on earth is Mauna Loa in height. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Navir, I am studying in 7th standard. Today I will say about water purification. Water purification makes water clean and it removes dirty and germs. And we use filters and fresh water. And water purification makes tank to empty. And people drink pure water to stay healthy. And purified water is important for everyone. Purification is like fresh and clear water. And boiling water kills harmful microorganisms to stay healthy. Thank you.
Sure.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Ulas Swayam. I am studying in 7th standard. Today I would like to explain about acid rain. So what is acid rain? So what is the causes of acid rain? How we avoid the acid rain? Let me know about it. First we have to know this is the acid rain. Acid rain. It contains the sulfuric acid, particularly sulfuric acid, nitrogen dioxide, etc. Its pH level is less than 5.6 is called acid rain. Acid rain causes the soil erosion. The soil erosion is harmful to our environment. It causes the damage for the plants and animals also. The cars or vehicles, etc. These are releasing the nitrogen dioxide in our atmosphere, and these are the factories releasing the carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide in the atmosphere. The houses releasing the some gases like carbon dioxide and chlorofluorocarbon is released through the house used by the fridges, and it is when the acid rain falls on the legs, seas, etc. These fishes are lives in lake. It get damages for the fishes and get dies when the acid rain falls on the lakes or seas. Now, next I would like to explain about how the acid rain is caused by the plants and human beings. We know about human beings causes these factories. These are buildings like human beings, and how the human beings causes acid rain. Now plants also causes the acid rain. How the plants causes acid rain? When the plants absorb the proteins from the soil, it absorbs the potassium sulfate from the soil and reacts with the carbon dioxide and it also when the plant dies excess of sunlight, the plant dies. Many lakhs, several lakhs years after it converted into the charcoal. The human beings are burning usually fossil fuels and plastics. It burns and reacts with the carbon and sulfuric copper sulfate and potassium sulfate. It reacts with the oxygen and to form a sulfur dioxide. And sulfur dioxide reacts with the oxygen and makes the sulfuric acid. On the other hand, I would like to explain about our Honorable Secretary Sir Ramesh Sir. They are establishing the schools and they are also established the RK constructions and they are working in construction fields. Now, these are the buildings of the RK construction fields, and for the more details you have to contact the Ramesh Sir. Thank you one and all. Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Krishna. I am studying in 8th standard. My school name is Explain School. Today I am going to explain about my project. My project is Model of Agriculture. In my project there is a few models which are used for agriculture, like animal shed, hen coop, well, hut, farmhouse, greenhouse, and these are some crops. Now I will say about agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of many economic activities, and agriculture is one of the most important in human life. About 75% of the people's Indian population is dependent on the agriculture. And now how to make agriculture practice. Preparation of the soil. Firstly, we have to prepare the soil for growing crops, and next second one, sowing. Sowing is a important task in agriculture. Before the sowing, we have to check good and clean and healthy seeds for crop production, and the farmer refer to use seeds which will give high yield. And adding manure and fertilizers. For growing crops fastly, we have to add some manure and fertilizers like natural fertilizers. For example, cow dung irrigation. The supply of water planting crops to a regular intervals are known as irrigation from wells and tube wells. And I will say about homophones. Homophones means homophones means the pronunciation is the same but meaning is different. Example: love, sun, deer, sea, hair. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Nitya. I am studying in 8th standard. Today I will explain about skeleton. A skeleton is the framework body of the bones, cartilage, and tendons. They are supposed that they help us to protect our body. Next, there are 206 bones are there in the skeleton. However, the number of bones are very dependent on the skeleton. There are 24 loops are there in skeleton. This is leg of skeleton and hands. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Hima Sadhya. I am studying in 8th standard. Today I will say about mosque. The mosque is the sacred place for Muslims. It is the place of worshipping. It holds the religious significances. People visit the mosque to offer prayers. They can be small or large in size. They are often decorated with a beautiful artwork. They play a central role in Muslim communities. Some mosques are open for the visitors to learn about Islam. Donations are made for mosques upkeep. It found all over the world. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. My name is Syed Tahir. Hi, good afternoon. My name is Syed Tahir. I am studying in 8th standard. Now I am explaining my project, Rain Detector Alarm. It is a simple but very useful project. It is rain detector automatically trigger alarm. Water is a basic need in everyone's life. Saving water and proper usage water.
automatically filter water. It increase levels of underground water and underwater reuse technique. Thank you. Now I am sure how to.
Once again. Sound is okay.
Good afternoon, my name is Shreyas. I am studying in 9th standard. Today I will explain about solar light. Solar light use solar panels to convert sunlight into electricity. You can see if you close the solar panel, the light will become dim. Solar light use solar electricity, and there are two types of solar: directly using photovoltaics or indirectly using concentrated solar power. Photovoltaics PV use solar panels to directly converting sunlight into electricity, either indirectly using concentrated solar power. CSP uses lenses and mirrors and solar tracking systems to focus a large area of sunlight to a hot spot. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Likit. I am studying in 9th standard. I am telling articles. Articles is the test of English. A and the. Example: a ball, a girl, an is used for an umbrella and apple. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. Myself Nitesh, I am studying in 9th standard. This is the model of mathematical part. First I will say about circle. The collection of all the points in the plane which are fixed distance from the fixed plane is called circle. Next I will say about angle. There are 5 types of angle. Angle means the two lines are formed and meet together is called angle. There are 5 types of angle: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle. First I will say about acute angle. The acute angle is measured between the 0 degree and 90 degree. Right angle is exactly equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Straight angle is equal to 180 degree, and the reflex angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Myself Pratham. I am studying 9th standard. My topic is solar water heater. As you know, solar water heater is solar energy is a form of energy we getting every day without cost. Solar energy is connected into heat energy. About that I am going to explain today. A device that helps to heating the water by using the energy from the sun. This process is called a solar water heater. A solar water heater is a system that harnesses the sun's energy to heat water for domestic user, essentially providing for hot solar radiation into thermal radiation. It has a system that uses the sun's energy to heat water for domestic user, absorbing sunlight, specially designed collector panel transmitting into a heat water through it. Storing the heated water in a insulated tank. Key points to highlight the include components are collector panel and storage tank. The heat water is observing through the dot surface, and the role of insulation and the potential radiation is saving environment. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Umesh. I am studying in 9th standard. My school name is Excellent English School. This is the microscope. Now I will explain about microscope. The first microscope was invented by Zaccharia Janssen and his father Hans Janssen in the 16th century. Microscopes have 3 different types. There are electron microscope, compound microscope, and Redfield microscope. Electron microscope have 2 different types. There are highest power of microscope and lowest power of microscope. Scientists usually use the microscope to see microorganisms such as cells, bacteria, protozoa, algae, fungi, and many more. One important use of the ability is to diagnose illness and diseases in hospitals and clinics all over the world. So, the microscope used for study of biology. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Myself Kanyamjit. I am studying in 9th standard. My school name is Extend English School. Now I am going to explain about vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates means the animal who has a backbone, they are called as vertebrates, and the invertebrates means the animal who doesn't have a backbone, they are called as invertebrates. There are 8 phylums in invertebrates like Porifera, Coelenterata, Octiraria, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Echinodermata. These animals all live in water as well as on other animals' body. Examples like Cycon, Hydra, tapeworm, etc. So now come to the point on vertebrates. As you know, vertebrates means the animal who has a backbone, they are called as vertebrates. There are 5 phylums in vertebrates like fishes, amphibia, reptilia, aves or birds, and mammalia. First we will see the fishes. Fishes, these animals all live in water. Without water they cannot survive. They have 2 chambered hearts. Second one is amphibia. These animals are also live in water as well as on land. Examples stork and frog. They have 3 chambered hearts. The amphibians' respiration takes place through their lungs and skin. Third one is reptilia. These animals are cold-blooded animals. They have 3 chambered hearts except crocodile. Examples turtle and king cobra. Fourth one is aves or birds. These animals are warm-blooded animals. They have 4 chambered hearts. All the birds are belongs to the aves and they can fly through their wings. Examples sparrow and crow, etc. Fifth one is mammalia. These animals are also a warm-blooded animals with 4 chambered heart. They have mammary glands. With the help of mammary glands, they can feed their young ones. Examples cat, rat, bat, human, whales, etc. These all are the examples of vertebrates and invertebrates like fish, sea pen, tapeworm, electric ray, starfish, roundworm, seahorse. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected teachers. Myself, Arya Kiran. I am pursuing in 10th standard. I am from Excellent English School. So here I am to explain you about the entomology. Do you know the meaning of entomology? So entomology is the branch of zoology which deals with the study of insects, with their relationship with humans, environment, and with other organisms. Insects are one of the most diverse group of animals on the earth. With over 1 million, it is known as species. They play an important role in the ecosystem as pollination, decomposers, and they are the prey to other animals. So here are some models of entomology. First you can see here is peacock, this is butterfly, these are beetles, this is crane, this is Beta Ganesha, and there you can see the different type of insects. Now let us come to our next topic, which is human excretory system. The process in which the product produced during the metabolic activities comes out from the body is known as excretion. These consist of a pair of kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. So kidneys are located in the abdomen on either side of the backbone. They are in the bean's shape. The blood comes from all parts of the body to the kidney. Kidney receives the useful materials and sends the waste materials out of the body. Urine is produced in the kidney. It comes from the ureter, urinary bladder, and finally it comes out from the urethra. So do you know why kidney stone is formed? Kidney stone is formed because we don't drink plenty of water and storing the urine for long duration in our body. So to avoid the kidney stone, we should drink plenty of water. Per day we should drink 6 to 7 liters of water. Thank you.
Myself, Kavya, I am studying in 10th standard from Excellent English School. Today I am here to present the model of human digestive system. The food what we eat with our mouth, the food, dry food can't enter through the esophagus. So the saliva present in our mouth secreted by salivary gland.
My name is Vedavati. I am studying in 9th standard. Now I am explaining the Kalapur regions and festival are the best time in the year. People of all religions and races worship gods and goddesses. Few lines about the Ramayana. The Ramayana is into ancient epic about Rama and Sita. The Rama's father was the king of Dasharatha and his mother was the queen of Kausalya. And Dasharatha had 3 wives. They were Kaikeyi, Kausalya and Sumitra. The Rama's wife was Sita and they were had 2 sons, Lava, Kusha.
Lavakusha, and they were have two sons. They were Lavakusha, and Rama's have three of brothers. They were Bharata, Lakshmana, and Shatrugna. The Rama's favorite brother was the Lakshmana. Few lines about Sri Ramanavami festival. Sri Ramanavami festival is celebrated in the month of Chaitra without the first 19 Hindu calendar. It is celebrated a Hindu calendar itself the first month is Chaitra. The Ramanavami is the day to remember the births of Lord Rama, such as courage, compassion, and righteousness. The trump of good over evil. The Sri Ramanavami festival is celebrated Hindu millions of people worldwide. The Ramanavami we have prepared delicious kinds of food like pickle, kosamri, and holige butterfly. Thank you.
They decorated homes and temples with colorful lights and flowers. Janmashtami is also called Krishna Janmashtami or Gokulashtami. Hare Krishna.